Hello and welcome to the session. Operating in a global context. LO2 understand the factors which drive globalization. What are the key factors driving globalization today? This video explores the elements propelling global interconnectivity. Dive into the economic, technological, and political influences shaping our world. Economic interdependence is a crucial aspect of globalization. Countries rely on each other for resources and markets. This interconnectedness enhances trade and investment opportunities. It fosters cooperation and mutual growth. Economic ties make nations more resilient to global challenges. Globalization impacts aggregate economic outputs significantly. It boosts productivity and efficiency. International trade contributes to GDP growth. Countries benefit from shared technological advancements. Global economic outputs reflect the collective progress of nations. Pestle analysis helps understand globalization's impact. Political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal factors are evaluated. This analysis guides businesses in global strategies. It identifies opportunities and threats in different markets. Pestle is essential for informed decision-making. Economic alliances strengthen global ties. They facilitate trade and investment between member countries. Alliances like the EU and NAFTA promote economic stability. These partnerships enhance market access and competitiveness. Economic alliances are vital for global economic integration. Political alliances influence globalization significantly. They foster diplomatic relations and cooperation. Alliances help address global challenges collectively. They promote peace and stability through dialogue. Political partnerships are crucial for global governance. Globalization operates on multiple dimensions. National policies impact regional and international dynamics. Regional collaborations enhance local economies. International frameworks guide global interactions. Understanding these dimensions is key to navigating globalization. Globalization is driven by push and pull factors. Push factors include economic pressures and technological advancements. Pull factors involve market opportunities and resource availability. These forces shape global migration and trade. Understanding them is crucial for strategic planning. Demand and supply-side factors drive globalization. Consumer demand influences global production and distribution. Supply-side factors include resource availability and cost efficiency. These elements affect global trade patterns. Balancing demand and supply is essential for economic growth. Economies of scale play a pivotal role in globalization. Large-scale production reduces costs and increases efficiency. Companies benefit from expanded markets and reduced expenses. This leads to competitive pricing and market dominance. Economies of scale drive global business expansion. Protectionism poses challenges to globalization. It involves trade barriers and tariffs to protect domestic industries. While it supports local economies, it limits global trade. Protectionism can lead to trade wars and economic isolation. Balancing protectionism and globalization is crucial for economic stability. The World Trade Organization, WTO, is key in globalization. It regulates international trade and resolves disputes. The WTO promotes fair competition and trade liberalization. It helps countries navigate complex trade issues. The organization's role is vital for global economic cooperation. Regional integration enhances globalization. It involves cooperation among neighboring countries. Integration boosts trade, investment, and economic growth. It fosters political stability and cultural exchange. Regional partnerships are essential for a connected global economy. The decline in investment barriers fuels globalization. Reduced restrictions attract foreign direct investment. It encourages cross-border business expansion. This trend enhances global economic integration. Lower barriers lead to increased capital flow and innovation. Several factors cause globalization. Improved transport and technology play a significant role. Multinational companies and trading blocs drive global trade. These elements connect economies and cultures. Understanding these causes is vital for grasping globalization. Technological advancements are major globalization drivers. Innovations in communication and information technology are key. They enable global connectivity and knowledge sharing. Technology reduces costs and increases efficiency. It transforms how businesses operate worldwide. Political factors significantly influence globalization. Trade agreements and policies shape international relations. Political stability attracts foreign investment. Countries collaborate to address global challenges. Political drivers are crucial for economic integration. Market drivers propel globalization forward. Companies seek new markets for growth and diversity. Global consumer demand influences production and trade. Market expansion leads to increased competition. Understanding market drivers is essential for global business success. Cost drivers are central to globalization strategies. Businesses seek cost efficiencies through global operations. Lower labor and production costs attract investments. Cost reduction leads to competitive pricing. Cost drivers influence global trade and industry dynamics. Competitive drivers shape the global market landscape. Companies innovate to maintain a competitive edge. Global competition fosters efficiency and quality improvements. Businesses adapt to changing market conditions. Competitive drivers are key to thriving in a globalized world. In conclusion, understanding the factors that drive globalization is essential for organizations operating internationally. Factors such as technological advancements, international trade, economic integration, political agreements, and the growth of multinational organizations have accelerated global connectivity. These drivers influence how businesses expand, compete, and collaborate across borders. Understanding these factors enables organizations to respond effectively to global opportunities and challenges, supporting strategic planning and sustainable global operations. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.